In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 most profitable epoxy table designs that are selling like hotcakes. So make sure to stick around for all 5 because I'll also be sharing pro tips on pricing and how to market each one effectively. Let's kick off with the king of all epoxy tables, the Live Edge River table. This design has been around for a while but is still incredibly profitable. Why? Because it combines natural wood slabs with a bold river of epoxy resin flowing through the center. Buyers love this mix of rustic and modern, and it works well in both homes and office spaces. You can customize the resin color, embed stones or metallic flakes, or even add glow in the dark pigment for a premium look. Now, the key to maximizing profit here is using high quality live edge wood like black walnut or maple. These tables can sell anywhere from $1,000 to $6,000 or more, depending on size and craftsmanship. Also, don't forget to include customization options. Let your client choose resin colors, dimensions, and even shapes. That personal touch allows you to charge more and build long-term customer relationships. Coming in at number 2, we've got ocean-themed epoxy tables. These are visually stunning and emotionally powerful, making them a favorite among buyers who love coastal aesthetics. What makes these tables stand out is the use of translucent blue and white resin, combined with woodcut to mimic shorelines. When done right, it genuinely looks like a beach scene frozen in time. You can go even further by embedding seashells, sand, or coral replicas, which add depth and texture to the design. This type of tables appeals to vacation home owners, beach house rentals, resorts, and even coastal restaurants. In terms of pricing, a well-crafted ocean epoxy table can sell between $800 and $5,000 or more, depending on detail, size, and materials. Pro tip: offer smaller versions like ocean epoxy side tables or coffee tables. They sell fast because they are more affordable and easier to ship. Next up, epoxy dining tables with embedded objects. These are highly customized and incredibly profitable because they are unique to each buyer. You can embed all kinds of objects in epoxy, coins or old currency, family keepsakes or memorabilia, sports collectibles or branded items. One example that is trending is tables with bottle caps or beer labels embedded in resin, super popular in man caves and bars. This design style allows you to create a story within the table, and people are willing to pay extra for that. Plus, these tables spark conversation and make great gifts. Prices can vary widely from $1,000 to $7,000 or more, depending on size and complexity. And because each table is a one of a kind, there's a very little competition. To market them, create content showing the embedding process. Clients love seeing their items transformed into a permanent functional art piece. Now, let's talk about a trend that is exploding: minimalist epoxy tables, especially in black, white, and neutral tones. These are ideal for modern homes and corporate spaces. The design is clean, simple, and elegant. Instead of flashy colors or embedded materials, you focus on sleek lines, matte finishes, and subtle grain patterns. These tables work well in minimalist interiors, Scandinavian-inspired homes, and luxury office spaces. The biggest advantage here is production efficiency. Minimalist tables are faster to make, require fewer custom materials, and you can build them in batches, making it easier to scale. Despite their simplicity, these pieces can still command premium prices ranging from $800 to $3,500 or more because of the aesthetic appeal. Pro tip: Pair your minimalist epoxy tables with metal or powder coated steel legs to complete the modern look. Last on the list, but definitely not least, we have epoxy resin furniture sets. This includes coffee tables, side tables, benches, and even matching shelving units. Selling tables in sets increases your average order value and provides a complete design solution for your customers. For example, a living room set with a coffee table and two matching side tables can sell for $1,500 to $4,000 or more. The key here is consistency in your epoxy colors, wood tones, and finishes. Offer customizable sets where buyers can choose the number of pieces and dimensions. This strategy also works great for Airbnb owners, interior designers, or new home owners who want a cohesive look without the hassle of piecing together different furniture items. If you want to go the extra mile, offer package pricing and free delivery in your area. It helps close the sale and improve customer satisfaction. So, those are the top 5 most profitable epoxy table designs to sell, from timeless river tables to trendy minimalist sets. A quick recap: live edge river tables, ocean inspired tables, embedded object tables, minimalist black and white tables, matching resin furniture sets. Each one serves a different market, and depending on your skills and materials, you can focus on the designs that best fit your style. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.